Hi everyone, we need to take extra care of our hair as we are facing a lot of hair fall nowadays due to our food habits, stress, etc. So today I am here with a quick homemade onion hair oil which boosts hair growth, reverse premature graying, nourish hair follicle and prevents hair fall. Let me guide you all the right way to make onion oil. For this, we require any carrier oil. I am using coconut oil and red onions. Onion can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. Take 1 to 2 onions, peel and chop the onions into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the more surface area there is for the oil to extract the beneficial compounds. Here you can see how finely I have chopped the onions. Now in an iron kadhai, heat your chosen carrier oil. I am using coconut oil over low to medium heat. Be careful not to overheat the oil, so this can degrade the quality of oil. I am adding finely chopped onions to the carrier oil. Stir the mixture occasionally to prevent burning. Here I am also adding peels or the skin of the onion to the oil. Let the mixture shimmer on low heat for 30 minutes to an hour. This allows the onions to infuse their beneficial compounds into the oil. For this oil making, specifically use iron kadhai as iron is essential for the sufficient supply of oxygen to the hair follicle and the growth of healthy hair. After 30 minutes, we can witness the change in color of onions. The oil should shimmer till the onions turn golden brown. After the onions change its color, remove the kadhai from heat and allow the mixture to cool down. Once it's cool enough to handle, strain the oil using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to separate the oil from the onion pieces. Here we can see the change in color in oil and the onions. Transfer the strained oil into a clean airtight container. Store it in a cool dry place to extend its shelf quality. To use the oil, massage the oil on your hair and scalp. Wait for 30 minutes before you wash it off. Use your fingertips to massage the oil and not your nails. I recommend to use this oil twice a week for better results. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.